Hi, Lori. I guess this isn't technically a blizzard. I don't know. I think there's a certain mile per hour. Is that a horse out there? No. I guess there's a certain mile per hour before it's a blizzard, but it's pretty good. All this happened in like the past 2 hours. I think I told you I went and got snow tires Thursday, and me and Miles saw that new Godzilla movie. It was really good. It had a really heartwarming story with it that did not include Godzilla. He does not find romance, but it was really good. We liked it. I hope you're doing okay down there. Hope it's nice and sunny for you. Man, I feel so good having winter tires. I let my last set of tires get down to not much tread on them, and that first time it snowed, it scared me. So I'm looking forward to, I still haven't driven these in the snow, so I'm looking forward to see if they make a big difference. Well, I love you. Goodbye. I can't, there's nothing new here, just golly, Mimi, she's working every day and night. She cleans people's houses, works at the library, cleans the clinic. Miles, I've started giving him $200 a month because I know Gloria used to give him some money, so I don't know if 200's enough, but he really isn't sane, so I don't know. I don't know if giving him more would be actually worse, I don't know. Like anything else in life, we're just going to have to feel it out and see what happens, do our best to carry on. All right. Here. I love you. Pretty scary, huh? Looks like, what is that? Master of Disguise? Goodbye. I love you.